G'day guys, 2017 Hilux with the lift kit. This side with the tank, you can get the bolt out. I can imagine some people are going to cut the bolt for the leaf, but you can get it out, loosen the clips at the rear of the tank, loosen the straps. You don't even need to take this plastic thing off and push the tank hard up against the tail shaft. You do not need to remove this either. It's just going to stuff you up completely. But if you want to remove this heat shield, go ahead and remove it and get two people, push it hard up against the tank, and you will get it out. As you can see, you want to be careful. You don't want to be doing any more scratching than that. That's just like superficial scratching. And obviously you need to hold the diff up and all that, but that's not what this is about. It's just about that one bolt here. And that's it. See, off there. Also, if you can reduce the level in the tank, I mean, if the tank is full, that's going to present another problem. So we've left this pin in place, remove this pin. Okay, this pin doesn't come out very easily either. So don't touch this pin, take that pin out and loosen the strap on the other side. My mechanic's quite brilliant with all this sort of stuff, I have to say. So he's worked it out quite quickly to do it that way. But the main thing here is you don't want to damage the fuel tank. We're doing a Bilstein lift kit here, 2.5 inch, with obviously all the upgraded shackles and bushers, greasable pins here, and the new leaf springs. It's about 2.5 inches, isn't it? So yeah, obviously it's got the spacer kit for the brakes up here and everything like that. But yeah, and we purchased this stuff from Fulcrum Suspension, so shout out to them. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.